fog on the floor, smoke machine. Nice. You guys got to come out and see this. It's amazing. Not going to show you everything. A lot of it's a surprise. So, hey everybody, MaxproductionsTV here. Glad to have you along. So we are behind the scenes in the haunted house here in Bucoda, Washington. This is where the magic happens. And I wanted to introduce you here to Alan. He's going to tell you a little bit of history about the town I did not know and how it makes it just even a more interesting little story. So here we go. Oh, hi Alan.
Hi.
Yeah, you tell us. Yeah.
As most people know, the name of the town is Bucoda. The original name of the town was not Bucoda. It was Saatco, S-A-A-T-C-O, which is a Native American word. And at the turn of the century, the entrepreneur from Portland, the owner of the lumber mill, and the owner of the coal mines here petitioned the legislature to change the name. Unbeknownst to Aaron Webster, who settled the area, or known to Aaron Webster, who settled the area, heard about it, petitioned it, and said, protested it, name wasn't changed. It was shelved for 2 years, came back on the docket, got passed. Those people's names were Buckley, Coulter, and Davis. So the name of B-U-C-O-D-A. So it became known as Bucoda.
Oh, okay.
But also the fact about Saatco being a Native American word, it means evil spirit or devil.
Wow.
So it's a perfect place for a haunted house.
Yeah, exactly. Thank you for that, Alan.
Thank you.
Welcome to Boo-Coda, Max Productions TV. Let's have a little fun tonight, shall we?
That's a whole person? That's a whole person, bro.